Hi, this is Chris from Saddle Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak, stock reference number 5530. The shape runs from the 6th month 2018 through to the 4th month 2022. It has a P5AT, 3.2 litre, 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT, 3.2 litre, 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of factory side steps, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage, right front door has 2 small dents, right hand side steps, holders a pair with door bolts and brackets, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat-nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, tyre, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy full spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.